So in this video we're going to have a look at how to construct a clamp to suit your MFT table. This will be a very cost-effective clamp. These two clamps I think I bought for under $10 for the pair, so $5 each, so they're really cheap alternative. They're a quick grip design, and the issue is that with an MFT style table, the standard straight shaft doesn't work particularly well, and the heads are too large to go into the 20mm holes. So of course you can go and buy appropriate clamps, but they're not particularly cheap to get those, and this is something that for $10 or under $10 for the pair do a really good job. One of the things that I'm going to show you in this video is exactly how to bend this particular clamp. So essentially this material, this steel is a hardened steel, so it doesn't take well to just force bending, or certainly not with any sorts of tools that I have that can bend this. So what you need to get, and this is quite a lot of fun, is you get a can of this butane gas and put a burner attachment on the top of it, and then we're just going to heat up the section that we need. It'll make it nice and soft, and then we can bend it into the position that we need it. So to begin with, I'm just going to scribe a little mark just so I can see it when I bend it, where basically I want this bend to be. Now we just want to clamp this in place in the vise. I'm just going to leave a little bit of a gap. This is about where I want to bend, but this is the area that I'm going to heat, just so I'm not heating up the vise too much. So once we've heated up the particular section that we need, the idea is that I am just going to lower this to where we want the bend, and then just pull this forward. I might need to use a hammer to help me just get the bend. Okay, so fire up the blowtorch. You have fire. Good idea just to wear some gloves here. Now this is going to take a couple of minutes. I'm just going to concentrate on this spot. The idea is that after about a couple of minutes, this is going to be red hot and very pliable. Okay, so now you've seen that we quite easily were able to bend this shaft 90 degrees, but at this stage it's facing in the wrong direction. So what we need to do is heat it up again, and then move it over 90 degrees so it sits with the head of this clamp. And Okay, so this is the one that we just did, and you can see it's pretty close to the one that we've previously done, so all ready now to slot into those holes on the MFT table and use as a clamp. Also, you might notice that with these clamps, we didn't have to discard these end bits. We could just reverse them and put them on the other side. This sort of makes a great spreader now as well, so it still has some dual functionality as a clamp. We've just got the added advantage there now that we can use it for the MFT.